So for the aspirin lab, what we have is salicylic acid reacting with acetic anhydride, and we form aspirin, acetyl salicylic acid. So that's aspirin. I've also given you the formulas in parentheses because if you have a ring of carbons, which is what this is a ring of 6 carbons, for example, in salicylic acid, right there, that's a ring of 6 carbons. Each carbon also has a hydrogen coming off of it. Those are double bonded carbons in here. That's what the circle means. What we have is 3 grams approximately salicylic reacting with 6 mils approximately acetic anhydride, and I want to determine the theoretical yield of aspirin in grams. Anytime you have 2 numbers that you're starting off with, we need 2 equations in order to determine the theoretical yield. So I'm going to start with 3 grams of salicylic. I'm going to convert that to moles. This is a stoichiometry problem. So I need the molar mass of salicylic. Well, my formula is right here, C7H6O3. Molar mass is 138. Then I'm going to take the moles of salicylic acid and I'm going to convert to moles of aspirin. Now these coefficients are 1 to 1 to 1. So it's 1 mole to 1 mole. Once I get to moles of aspirin, I need the theoretical yield in grams. So I need the molar mass of aspirin, C9H8O4. The molar mass is 180. So when I solve this, I would expect to produce 3.91 grams of aspirin from 3 grams of salicylic acid. But I have 2 numbers, so I need to also use the 6 mils of acetic anhydride and do a similar calculation. From mils, I can go back to grams using the density of acetic anhydride, which is 1.08. That'll get rid of mils and get me to grams. From grams, just like the previous problem, I need to go to moles, and the molar mass is C4H6O3, so the molar mass is 102. Then I'm going to go from moles of acetic anhydride back to aspirin. That's what I want to solve for. Mole ratio is 1 to 1. And the last step, exactly the same, 180 grams per mole, because it's aspirin. So if I start with 6 mils of acetic anhydride, I would expect to get 11.4 grams of aspirin. Whenever you have 2 equations, the theoretical yield is always the smallest number. So the amount of aspirin that I could theoretically produce is 3.91 grams. So now you have the theoretical mass of aspirin. Now you can use that to find the percent yield of aspirin.